Alright guys, we just finished the Jeep. It's got its wash. Got all the sand and dirt and dust off of it. Now the product I'm going to use is a product called Forever Black by Blacktop. And I really like this product because it comes in a container like this. And you shake it up and you apply it to an applicator like this. And when you apply it to the soft top, it really makes it pop out and it restores that dark black color that you're looking for. So I'm going to show you how to apply it and what it looks after I'm done. So it's going to be a good idea to use some gloves, latex preferably, but I don't have any latex, so I'm going to use these. I have an old box that I opened up about 2 years ago, and I'm still working on it. I've only used about so much, maybe a third of this bottle, and I actually did it once 2 years ago, and I held on to this bottle and it's still full. And I was able to clean the sponge off real good, and that's still reusable after 2 years. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to apply it. You're basically gonna you're gonna open up like this and squirt some of this on here like so. Now I would recommend that you put it on the soft top in a small area and let it dry and see how you like it before you do your whole top. So for this area right here, I'm going to show you how it comes out, and you can kind of see there's some tracks of dirt embedded into the soft top. I tried my hardest to get it out with a scrubbing tool. You can use a brush and that can come out, most of it can come out, but this stuff covers right over it and it blends right into the top. Another good idea is if this stuff gets sloppy in your hands, you can go ahead and mask these areas off with tape. I'm just going to show you how it applies, and just being very careful with how I'm doing this. And controlling the sponge so none of it gets on my paint. Now if some gets on your paint, you can wipe it off. Have a wet towel handy, and then you can just wipe it off. But to get an even layer of coat, you might want to do 1 or 2 coats, but 1 coat is usually good enough for me. So you can kind of see where it's still real faded off over here. And over here it looks real shiny and black. Get you guys a close-up. So right here you can kind of see where it's kind of really faded. I'm just gonna go real carefully up between the window here. Top is looking really sharp, really good. So if you're interested in this product, it's Forever Black by Forever Blacktop. I definitely recommend it for the JeepTJ soft top. That's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. We got the Jeep all detailed, cleaned up, ready to go. And keep your eye out for future videos coming up soon. We're also gonna kick off a YouTube series of videos, overlanding and on the trail tech time. Check out some of the videos that may be helpful to you. And as always, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Peace.